Well, this is the first time I've tried that. Hello everybody, this is Tony. I'm using my Falstad simulator to try your circuit with a few variations. I've put in a 5.6 Zener on the left side, removed one cap, and changed the right side to a voltage divider coming from the supply. Now, when the supply voltage is between 15.6 and 20, the green light stays on, which I just added to show that the enable is high. Now I can bring it down and see when it disables there. Now I'll reset and start over again, and this gives a short time to start, but that time is only 62 milliseconds. If that's not enough, we can change this resistor to increase the threshold, increase this capacitor, go like this. And now the period is 200 milliseconds. Okay, now if I raise the voltage above 15.4 and reset again, you can see that the base emitter voltage on Q1 does not exceed 500 millivolts, so it won't latch Q2, which is already pre-biased just below threshold. Okay, I will share the simulation with you, and you can adjust VCC up and down like this and see the effect. No effect on enable. So that allows you to have a slow ramp start on the input voltage and not latch up, but if it's less than 15.5, here with this value it latches in almost 3/4 of a second. And that's the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed it. That's all for now.